review this Bosch AQT 3512. This is a car washer, and I'm going to show you how it works exactly. You can see the windings and the matte surface is a dust attractor. Standard one can get this hose connecting nozzle, and also the cable. There's a flexible hose cable and a gun, and these also have enough length of power cable, and this required 16 amp socket. That means you have to have a big socket. This also has an attachment which is an accessory to do a soap wash, if at all you want to do a dry wash kind of thing. This works fantastically because there's a foaming on from this soap goes along with the water, so it works fast. This costed me around 450 rupees. So the female nozzle for water pipe is also here, and this has to be connected here. This is a push and pull mechanism, and you pull it here and insert and close it. This is how it works, and you may need to buy a additional hose for that. I bought enough length of hose, and also I bought a reducer, which is this, and this will keep the hose intact with the tap. And I'm going to use this 3/4 inches of tap, and once I insert this, I can insert the hose as well. I personally felt this matte finish on this body is an attractor of dust, but it is easy to clean. However, if it is a glossy surface, probably scratches instead of dust. And here is the on-off switch. Now that I have connected the connector and the hose in the tap, soon you open or switch on the machine, you will hear a huge noise. One method of or mode of the water spraying. You just need to spray water, and no pressure is involved. It is a very smooth. You can even use it to wet your vehicle before doing a dry wash or and if you want to change the mode, here is the arrow direction is given, so it has to be always anti-clockwise. So I will keep this. And I select the next option. You can see this is a swivel. It sprays swively. I will show you how it works. This swivel is mostly used when you have more dirt. Say like you can see this in the tire, and once you use it, now you can see this is clean. And the last one is the spray mode. You can see, and it works in this way. Say like you have to flush out few things, Also see how the survival worked in the alloy wheels. If you're a do-it-yourself person, do this. This is going to save a lot of money, and I purchased this for 10,000 bucks, and that the total cost of ownership for 40 washes. So once you do the 40 washes on a simple water wash, you will retrieve that 10,000, and here you go. This is the review about the Bosch water wash machine, and if you have any questions, please do. This is the result after I wiped a little bit and the washing. You can see all the dirt, mud, everything is gone. So ideally this product is good to keep it at home for a do-it-yourself single-use person.